We're so happy you're here.
Let's have some fun and learn together.
Ready? Let's go.
It is getting cold out here. The sun went down an hour ago. I can see my breath in the air.
Walk faster, Ben. We're almost there. I can see the sign down the street. Look for the pink neon light.
I see it. It is buzzing. 24-hour coin laundry. The sign flickers a little bit. It looks like a movie scene.
Do you have the laundry bag, or did you drop it?
I have it. It is huge. It's a giant gray sack filled with 2 weeks of dirty clothes. It is heavy and awkward. It keeps bumping against my leg. Thump, thump.
Okay, we're at the door. It's a glass door. I can see inside. It looks bright and clean. I'm pulling the handle.
Ding dong. Sssss. Whoa, feel the difference, Anna.
It is so warm in here. It's not just warm, it's toasty. And it's humid. The air is thick with steam from the dryers.
And the smell, it hits you instantly. It smells like clean cotton and ocean breeze. It's a very chemical smell, but I like it. It smells like safety.
Look around. It's empty tonight, just us. There are 2 rows of machines. On the left wall, the washers. On the right wall, the dryers.
The floor is checkered, black and white tiles. My shoes squeak on them because they are so clean. Squeak, squeak.
Okay, where do we set up camp? Set up camp means to choose our spot.
Let's go to the back. Machine number 5. It's the jumbo washer because I have a jumbo amount of laundry.
I'm putting my bag on the folding table. The table is metal, stainless steel. It's cold to the touch. Clang!
I'm dropping my bag on the floor. Thump. Okay, step 1, arrival complete. Step 2, the sort.
Do you have the soap, or did you forget it at home?
I have it. I have the box of powdered detergent, and I have a pocket full of quarters. Listen. Jingle, jingle. That is the sound of laundry money.
The lights in here are fluorescent. They buzz a little bit too. Hum. It's a very white light. It makes everything look sharp.
I like it. It feels like a spaceship or a laboratory. A laboratory for dirty socks.
Okay, Professor Ben, open the bag. Let's see the damage. Okay, dump the bag out on the table. Soft thud. Wow, that is a mountain of clothes. We cannot wash this all at once.
Why not? I can just stuff it all in, like a turkey.
No, Ben. If you overfill the machine, the clothes won't get clean. And look at this. You have a bright red sock next to a white t-shirt. Do you want pink t-shirts?
No, I definitely don't. Okay, we need to sort. We make 2 piles. Pile 1, darks. Jeans, black shirts, socks. Pile 2, whites. T-shirts, towels, sheets.
I will take the whites. I am separating them now. Here is a towel. It feels rough and dry. Here is a silk shirt. Be careful with this. It is delicate.
Okay, the sorting is done. Let's open the machine door. Heavy mechanical latch. Ka-chunk. It opens sideways. The inside is a giant metal drum. It looks like the engine of a jet plane.
It is stainless steel. It is shiny and full of little holes. Start putting the darks in. Don't ball them up. Shake them out first. Flap, flap.
I am tossing them in, one by one. Jeans first. They are heavy. Thud. Then the shirts. Swish. Okay, the drum is full, but not too full. I'm closing the door. Ka-chunk. Click. It locked.
Now for the soap. Open the box of detergent. Cardboard tear. We are using powder today, not liquid.
Look at the texture. It looks like blue sand. There are little white crystals mixed in. I'm using the plastic scoop. Scooping gritty sand. It makes a scratchy sound.
Pour it into the tray on top. Pouring sand. Good. It smells strong. It smells like mountain fresh. It tickles my nose.
Now, the fun part. The money. This machine takes quarters. How much is it?
The digital screen says $2.50. That is 10 quarters. Do you have them?
Yes, I have a stack of silver coins. I love this sound. Watch. I slide the coin into the vertical slot. Metallic slide, clink. 1. Metallic slide, clink. 2.
It is a very satisfying sound. It feels like playing a video game. Keep going. 3, 4, 5.
Rapid clinking. Okay, 10 quarters. The screen is flashing start. Which setting? Hot or cold?
Cold. Always wash with cold water. It saves energy and protects the colors. Press the button.
I am pressing the big square button. Electronic beep. And now we wait. Listen. Rushing water hiss.
I hear it. The water is rushing into the drum. The soap is dissolving, and the drum is starting to turn, slowly at first. Whir, slosh.
There it goes. My clothes are swimming. Okay, we have 45 minutes. What do we do now?
Now, we sit and we watch the show.
Okay, the clothes are washing. Now we enter the waiting game. Let's sit down. Sound, plastic creak. These chairs are not very comfortable. They are hard orange plastic. They are bolted to the floor.
They are designed for waiting, not sleeping. Just relax, Ben. Look at the machine. It is hypnotic. Hypnotic means it makes you feel sleepy, like a trance.
I am watching it. The clothes go up and fall down. Slosh, flop, up and down. It is like a kaleidoscope of colors. I see my red shirt, then your blue towel, round and round.
Listen to the sound. It is a steady rhythm. Hum, whir, hum, whir. It is white noise. It blocks out the sound of the city outside. I could actually fall asleep right here.
Don't fall asleep. The machine is changing. Listen, the engine is getting louder. Sound, pitch rising like a jet engine. It is shifting gears.
Ah, the spin cycle. This is the final stage. The drum spins very, very fast to squeeze the water out. Look at the clothes now. You can't see them individually. It's just a blur of color.
Whoa, do you feel that? The floor is shaking. Sound, vibration, rattle, rattle. My feet are tingling. The whole room is vibrating because of the speed.
It feels like we are taking off in a rocket ship. Hold on to your chair. Okay, it is stabilizing now. Just a high-pitched hum. Zzz.
I'm thirsty. All this heat and vibration makes me thirsty. I'm going to the vending machine. Do you want anything?
What do they have? Usually laundromat vending machines have old soda.
Let me check. Sound, footsteps on squeaky tile. The machine is glowing. It has a low hum, too. Sound, fridge hum. They have cola, lemon lime, and root beer.
I'll take a lemon lime, something cold.
I'm feeding the bill into the slot. Sound, electronic whir. It accepted my dollar. I'm pressing the button. Sound, heavy clunk. The can fell down.
Open it carefully. Don't spray sticky soda everywhere.
Crack, fizz. Ah, the sound of carbonation. Here is yours. The can is cold. It has condensation on it, just like the juice at the market.
Thank you. Sips. It tastes like sugar and bubbles. Look, Ben, the machine is slowing down. Sound, engine powering down. Whir,
The spin is stopping. The clothes are peeling off the walls of the drum. Flop. Silence. Sound. Buzz. The light turned green. Done!
Okay, break time is over. Now we have to move everything, from the wet machine to the hot machine. Get the cart.
Okay, the transfer is complete. I moved the heavy, wet clothes into the big dryer. That was hard work. Wet jeans are heavy. Now, before we start, we have to check the lint trap.
Yes, always check the filter. Pull that little handle at the bottom of the dryer door. Oh, wow, look at that. A thick layer of gray fuzz.
That is lint. It is the tiny fibers that fall off the clothes. It looks like a gray felt blanket. I'm going to peel it off. Soft peeling sound. It comes off in one big piece. It is oddly satisfying. Into the trash.
Okay, close the door, set it to high heat. We want these towels to be toasty, and go. The dryer sounds different than the washer. The washer goes swish, swish. The dryer goes rumble, tumble. We can hear the buttons on the jeans hitting the metal. Clink, clank.
Bzzz. That is the alarm. They are done. Ben, open the door. Be careful, it will be hot. I am pulling the handle. Latch pops open. Whoa, I can feel the heat coming out. It feels like opening an oven door or walking into a desert. Hot, dry air.
Reach in, pull them out quickly, put them in the basket.
Ouch, I just got shocked. A little blue spark jumped from the clothes to my finger.
That is static electricity. The clothes have been rubbing together in the dry heat. They are charged with energy. Grab a dryer sheet to stop it.
Okay, I'm pulling the clothes out. They are so warm. They feel lighter now, fluffy. Here's a bath towel. Here, Anna, catch.
Oh, this is the best feeling in the world. I am burying my face in the towel. It is hot. It smells like clean soap and heat. I wish I could wear this towel as a coat.
We can't stand here hugging towels all night. We have to fold them. Fold while warm. If we wait, they will get wrinkled.
Okay, put the basket on the table. I'll do the shirts. You do the socks.
The socks are tricky. I have to find the pairs. This is a matching game. Here's a black one. Where is the partner? Found it. I roll them together into a ball. Roll, tuck.
Watch how I fold the shirt. I smooth it out on the table, fold the sleeves in, fold the bottom up. Perfect square. It looks like a new shirt from the store.
You are very neat. My folding is messy, but at least they are clean.
Look at the stack. We have a tower of clean towels, a tower of shirts, and a ball of socks. We accomplished something today, Ben.
And my laundry bag is light now. The clothes are dry and airy. Let's go home. I'm ready to sleep in clean sheets tonight.
Me too. Grab the bag. Let's step back out into the cold night air. Door opens. City noise returns.